In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import select items from Excel to Trello with ease. As you follow along, you'll discover how to streamline your workflow by transferring crucial data from your spreadsheets directly into Trello. So, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Trello board, where you'll notice the rocket ship icon. Clicking on this will open up the Power-Ups menu, your gateway to a whole world of expanded functionality within Trello. Power-Ups, in case you're new to the platform, are essentially plugins developed by third-party developers. They allow you to enhance your Trello boards with additional features tailored to your specific needs. Once you have the Power-Ups menu open, your next step is to click on Add Power-Ups. Here, you can browse and search through a variety of options, but today, we'll focus on one particular power-up that simplifies the task at hand. In the search bar, type Import to Trello by Blue Dasher. This power-up comes highly recommended for its user-friendly design and seamless integration. Once you've found it, click the Add button to incorporate it into your Trello board. With the power-up successfully added, it's time to authorize it so it functions correctly. Navigate back to the rocket ship icon to access the Power-Ups menu once more. Now, find and click on the Blue Dasher import to Trello Power-Up we just added. By authorizing it, you're enabling the tool to interact with your Trello data, allowing you to import items from Excel without any hitches. Now that everything's set up, let's get down to business. Click on the Blue Dasher import to Trello Power-Up again from the menu to initiate the importing process. This tool is fantastic because it lets you directly copy and paste items from your Excel file into its import table. Simply open your desired Excel file and select the items you want to transfer. Then, paste these items into the Blue Dasher import table provided. After you've pasted your selected Excel items into the table, all that's left to do is click Import. In a matter of seconds, the Power-Up will automatically create cards on your Trello board for each of the imported items. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance how you manage and visualize your data. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to import select items from Excel to Trello, improving your productivity in just a few steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it assists you in organizing your tasks and projects more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.